Oscar, buddy, what are you, Oscar? No, don't eat your tail. Hey, get out. No, stop. We're good. You're a good boy. Guys, we have a bunch to do today, but first off, I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Omaze. We have the keys to top speed insanity of the Bugatti Veyron. About 4 months ago, I started the search for the hypercar, and I narrowed it down to two final choices, the Veyron and the McLaren P1. You guys might remember the first hypercar I test drove was a McLaren Senna that my friend here in Utah had. He actually sold the car, but 2 weeks ago, he bought a McLaren P1, and today, boys, this is so crazy. Today, boys, we're gonna line up the P1 and the Veyron in a half-mile drag race. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the vlog. Now, I know a lot of you guys wanted to see me race daily driven exotics in their P1, and I wanna do that someday as well, but sadly, the Canadian border is closed right now, and I have no idea when they're gonna let Americans into Canada and vice versa. Probably not anytime soon, but someday there will be a round two, I promise, there will be. We're currently running on 850 horsepower because we only have access to 91 octane, but don't worry, we have race fuel coming very, very soon. So, the fuel tank in the Veyron is full, and I need the tank to be empty because we're gonna go get race fuel to unlock the full potential of the 1,000 horsepower, so we gotta burn a bunch of fuel. This never happens. Like, every time I turn on the car, it's on empty. We get 8 miles to the gallon, but the one time it's not, we need it. Yeah, anyways. It's not that I wanna blow the doors off this Maxima, I just gotta burn fuel. I don't have a choice. And we go, bye-bye. Wow. Wind it up and go. They say the Veyron will burn a full tank of gas in 12 minutes. It's a 26-gallon tank, so we can definitely burn fuel. Oh, this Audi wants to go. This Audi wants to hit it. Yo, bro, you better step on it or get out of the way because we go bye-bye, see ya. Have a good one. Okay, so I think we probably just burned 2 gallons of gas, so we still have 15 more to go. I really only have one goal today, and that is not to embarrass myself. And so we gotta practice launch control. Launch mode has been engaged. Press the brake, mash the throttle, 28, go! Jeez, it just takes off. Oh my goodness. Brakes. Like the Bugatti manual said, I kept the steering wheel straight. I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Omaze. Check this out. One of you guys has the chance to win a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited, fully customized by Brad and Doug DeBerti, and $20,000 in cash. Shipping and taxes are both included, and every single donation helps support the Warrior Built Foundation. It's really easy to get entered. All you have to do is check out the link below to omaze.com/stradman. And like I said, every single donation helps support the Warrior Built Foundation. Warrior Built seeks to honor combat veterans and wounded service members who served our country by providing them with vocational and recreational opportunities. I'm gonna put a picture of the exact Jeep Wrangler that one of you guys can win. It's got a fully customized exterior gray wrap. It already has 37-inch tires and it has a full KC LED light bar system. But think about what you could do with that extra $20,000 in cash. You could start a 6x6 conversion. You could add racks, you could add bumpers, you could put a bigger lift on it. Like, the possibilities are endless. Or you could go on an adventure, like an off-road adventure to Moab, to the Rubicon Trail in Tahoe. The possibilities are endless. And like I said, it's super easy to get entered. All you have to do is check out the link below, omaze.com/stradman. Boys, go check it out. This is a pretty nice view right here. We got the twin turbo Performante. Let's be honest, that car's gonna embarrass everybody. Oh, there she is. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, the smell of cotton candy and horsepower right there. Also, 1,400 horsepower Performante. We got the 812 super fast, but I think the race fuel I'm actually more excited about, unlocking the full potential of the 1,001 horsepower. The problem though, I still have 15 gallons in the Veyron, and so we want to dilute it. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do. She's a thirsty girl right there. This is the most expensive fuel money can buy. So one of those 5-gallon drums wholesales like $65. That's $13 a gallon. The irony is kind of sort of hilarious. We're gonna race the Veyron on the P1. This car will go off course. This is the fastest car in all of Utah. I can't get over how sick that lift setup is. It's got the 4-post bin pack lifts, but they're 3 stacked. 3 stacked. That blue Cephas just looks so good, though. There's a bunch of supercars right there. I think that's our squad right there. But we're gonna go get lunch. There's supercars everywhere. That's the S with the white wheels. That is so good. We're gonna retune the Veyron to 1,001 horsepower. And so you just press the start button for 3 seconds. Wait for it, wait for it. EPC, 1,001, baby. Super easy to up-tune and detune the car. It still doesn't matter because that Performante has 1,400 horsepower. Today's gonna be pretty wild. We have so many supercars. We've got the MK4 Supra right there. So off camera, we just went to Five Guys and I feel like a balloon. All of these cars right here are competing in the half-mile event. That Aventador S with the white wheels looks so sick. I don't know if you guys can see the plume of smoke. That's at the airport. That's where they're drag racing right now. That is not good. That's not what the doctor ordered. Check that out. That airplane's flying right through the smoke. Okay, never mind. It's just like a pyrotechnic show. Okay, I thought a car had caught on fire. Here we go, boys. This is in the beautiful state of Utah right now. We got P1 Veyron 1-2. Oh, Utah Supercar owners ready to roll. The lineup today is absurd. We got the SVJ right there next to the Huracan, the P1. We have all sorts of 720Ss as well. This is gonna be crazy. It's crazy windy out here, but here we go, boys. We got the Bugatti Veyron with its W16 against the McLaren P1 with the twin turbo V8. I'm not making excuses, but I've looked at other YouTube videos. I don't stand a chance, but it's gonna be fun. We're talking a twin turbocharged V8, 903 brake horsepower with battery assist. So off the line, I got the all-wheel drive, but he's got the instantaneous torque. I know I'm yelling, but it's very windy out here. It's gonna be fun now. I don't know if you guys could hear anything that I was saying right there. It is very windy. There's a very strong headwind. I think in a half mile I should hit about 170, 175 miles an hour, but with the headwind we'll kind of sort of see. The Veyron's aerodynamic. Also, I cannot get the car in race mode. I don't know what's going on, so I'm gonna drop it out of handling mode into normal mode because then the wing will only go up at like 100 miles an hour, I think. The good news, the bad news, I don't fit in this car with a helmet on. Like, I'm hunkered all the way down. I can barely like see over the dashboard. This should be kind of sort of interesting. I wish we didn't have to wear helmets, but safety's important, so yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Everybody better have something.
Come on! Oh! Come on, Bug! I don't think he got it! That P1 is way behind us! He messed up launch, I believe. Alright, I think we need to do round two. To my surprise, the Veyron actually beat the McLaren P1, but the P1 we couldn't get launch control to work, so we're gonna do a round two, no launch control either car. That's one thing I will say about the Bugatti. Love it or hate it, that thing is reliable and bulletproof. We could do 100 launch controls, and we'd be good to do 101. We're gonna let the P1 jump me just by a smidge because he can't get launch control to work, and I just want cool footage for you guys. Come on, Bug! Let's go! Let's track him down! Let's get him! Okay, we gotcha! See ya! And we go bye-bye! This Bug, I'm telling ya, this car is next level! And across the line! Brakes! That air brake is straight vertical right now, boys. It's so sick. Dude, how was that? Beautiful. Whoa! Dude, this car is so stable right now. We're gonna let the P1 pass. Dude, he jumped me and we tracked him down. Oh, it feels good to win, boys. I did not think I was gonna win. I always lose. We actually won against another hypercar on a closed course in a race setting, and now we're off-roading a P1 and a Bugatti. I didn't think today was gonna lead us to this point, but it feels good, boys. I gotta hand it to the P1. It's a whole lot more beautiful than the Veyron. Wow, that is so sick. To have the P1, the Veyron, and the Senna all on the same day in Utah. We're just out here chasing views on views, boys. I was not expecting to beat the McLaren P1, but sure enough we did. But of course, the fastest car the entire day at 199 miles an hour and a half mile. The underground car, he always wins, and he's smug about it too. That car is so sick though. Utah's just out here flexing on the nation. What an amazing day. We got the McLaren Army right there. That white Aventador with the white wheels is just so sick. Next to the MK4 Supra. I think I need to get a JDM car, maybe an MK4. Just check out that sunset. Are you kidding me? Each and every day, Utah just ceases to amaze me. We gotta get out here for one more shot. Check that out. The sunset is so incredibly beautiful. Massive shout out to the Spanish Fork Airport. That was so much fun. The next time we're here, we have a pretty cool race lineup. I don't want to say too much, I'm not quite saying enough. but check that out. That sunset is insane. Also, I think I need to get my pilot's license. I think I need that. I live about 40 miles that way, but I was told at this exit there's a Shell gas station that has 93 octane. So we're gonna see. I really, really hope it does. Oh my goodness, come on baby, come on, come. Oh my goodness, there it is, 93. We found it, boys. This is more exciting than beating the P1. They have 93. Okay, so unfortunately, we're like an hour. Oh no, bro, that guy's, he's trying to snake me. Sadly and unfortunately, we only need like 10 gallons of it and then we're completely full, but we will be back here for the foreseeable future. I'm pretty sure this is the only 93 octane pump in the entire state of Utah, and we found it. Unfortunately, it's like 40, 50 miles away from my house, but we'll be back, that I can guarantee. There's just something about that 1,001 horsepower life. Yes, indeed. It feels so good to find the fuel. Okay, I sounded like the Pillsbury Doughboy right there, and I apologize for that. That was a good day, but boys, I am exhausted. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put sunscreen on, so my Utah baby skin is most likely burnt to a crisp. Remember, if you guys want to win the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon with Omaze, be sure to check out the link in the description below, omaze.com/stradman. I've officially decided I need a runway. That was so much fun today. I predicted at the beginning of today's video that I was gonna take the L. We walked away with a W. I never win. I always lose. SSE2 Atara, they said that's you to blame. That was so much fun. The one thing I will say about the Veyron, love it or hate it, this car is bulletproof, it is reliable. We probably could have done that 100 times and consistently ran around 165 miles an hour. The other hybrid cars, they tend to have these silly issues. Now the annual maintenance on the Veyron is very, very expensive, but other than that, this car is bulletproof. I love this car. That P1 though, that car is so sleek. It's more beautiful than the Veyron, but there's just something about a Bugatti. I think I could have bought either car and been pretty happy. Maybe we need both. I don't know. As always, I'm not getting a P1. That is not me hinting that I'm getting a P1. That is, I can barely afford this car. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.